Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome you all in my next lesson. Here you already know that we have done the explanation of unit number 2. Now it's time to do the book exercises. Okay. Here the name of unit number 2 is Insect Inspect. Okay. Here we have done the explanation of this page, right? And now it's time to do the exercises. Okay. It's page number 10, and now you all have to open your books, and we are going to do exercise A and exercise B. Okay, here in exercise A, if you see the main heading, that is activities, and here in activities we have A, B and C, 3 exercises, but only we have to do exercise A and exercise B. Okay, here we start. Answer the questions. Answer the question. Now here are 6 questions we are having in this page, and you have to do it on your books as well as you have to do it in your rough copies. Okay, now let's start. Name the 3 sections of an insect. Name the 3 sections of an insect. If you remember that there were 3 sections of an insect, and the names were head, number 2 thorax, and number 3 abdomen. Right, I repeat, head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, question number 2 we have, why is a spider not an insect? Why is a spider not an insect? The spider is not an insect because it has 4 legs and they are arachnids. I repeat, the spider is not an insect because it has 4 legs. They are arachnids. Right? Okay. Then we have next question. How can insects be helpful? How can insects be helpful? Insects are important source of food for some plants, animals and insects. I repeat, insects are important source of food for some plants, animals and insects. Right? Okay. Then we have question number 4. Which 3 insects do you see most often? Dear students, it means that what are those 3 insects which you are usually see around yourself? Now what can be? Number 1, that is flies. Right? You see the flies usually all around yourself. Number 2, ants, which you can see all the time on the floors, on the walls, everywhere. And the number 3 is the butterflies. Right? So these 3 insects we see often. Right? Okay. Then we have, what does camouflage help some insects avoid? Means that how does a camouflage help the insects? Right? Camouflage helps some insects to avoid danger. Camouflage means that change the color of yourself according to the environment. There are some insects who change their color according to the environment. The reason is that they can very easily avoid the danger. Right? Last question, number 6 we have, which insect do you think is the most interesting, annoying and helpful? The interesting one can be the butterfly, because you already know that the butterflies are very beautiful, very different and very nice. It has very nice colors. And number 2, the annoying one is the flies. Like they are always annoying us. They are usually flying all around us, and they sit on our food to make it unhygienic, right? So the most annoying is flies, and number 3, helpful. I have written here honeybee. Honeybees are always helpful because they collect pollen from the flowers, and through which we can get the honey very easily. Right? Okay. So it was all about the exercise A. Here we have done 6 questions, and now here we have exercise B. Who am I? Write the names of the insect. Now here are some names given. You have to write the name. Like a blue bottle is one. Like a blue bottle is one. That is a fly. If you remember, I told you there are 2 different types of flies. One is a simple one, the other one is blue bottle. So a blue bottle is one, that is a fly. Right? Number 2, I collect pollen to make honey. Then who am I? Of course, I am a honeybee, right? The next one we have, I can appear from any crack. It means I can be available, I can appear from any of the cracks. The cracks can be in the ground, the cracks can be on the walls. So what does come out from there? That is an ant, right? And number 4 is, I am like a butterfly but come out at night. Now there's a kind of a butterfly, not a kind of a butterfly, but it resembles to a butterfly, and that usually comes out during the night time. And what is that? That is mouth. Right? So this was all about exercise B. Now for exercise A, you have to do it in your rough copies, as well as you have to do it on book with pencil, not with a pen. And this exercise you only have to do on your book. Clear? Thank you very much, students. It was all about unit number 2, exercise A and exercise B. Inshallah, we'll continue for the rest of the exercises in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe.